Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Table mats, also known as placemats, are dispensable accessories that effortlessly combine functionality and style on dining tables and beyond. These versatile and practical items serve multiple purposes, from prepping the table surface against spills, stains, and heat to elevating to overall dining experience. Available in a wide array of materials, shapes, and designs, table mats offer endless possibilities for enhancing table settings to suit any occasion or decoration theme. Classic options features elegant patterns such as delicate flower motifs or sophisticated geometric designs, adding a touch of refinement to formal design setting. For a more contemporary look, minimalist table mats in solid colors or abstract patterns complement modern aesthetics with effortless charm. Beyond the dining table, table mats find utility in various spaces, such as home, offices, where the key workspaces organize and safeguard surfaces from scratches. In addition to their protective qualities, table mats can also be creative elements in home decoration, allowing home individuals to experiment with textures, layering, and color combination to express their personal style. Whether setting the scene for a casual family meal or a chic dinner party, table mats prove to be both practical and decorative essential that effortlessly elevate any dining or workspace setting. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.